Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin now, remove distractions and create a one-task zone. Put your phone out of sight and silence notifications. This reduces interruptions instantly. Once done, name the single priority, no multitasking, and set a 25-minute timer so your brain expects a short, intense effort. Put on headphones or cue low-frequency ambient sound to mask background chatter. This stabilizes attention. Breathe slowly for 3 cycles and start the task immediately. No planning detours. Because momentum is once you've started, break the session into small visible wins so your brain registers progress every few minutes. Make each chunk 5 to 7 minutes. Write a sentence, solve a single component, or sketch a diagram. Active engagement cements focus better than passive reading. Make sure to monitor bodily signals, sip water, sit upright, and take 20-second micro stretches if muscles tense. If attention drifts, name the distraction aloud, then return to the next micro goal. This trains recovery without derailing momentum. As the timer ends, spend 3 minutes reviewing what you completed and jot down the next actions. This locks gains and prevents task rebound anxiety. Then take a 5-minute break. Step outside, look at a distant object, or do a focused breathing reset to restore cognitive energy. If you still struggle, troubleshoot quickly. Shrink the task until it feels doable, silence one more sensory channel, and retry a shorter timer. This iterative loop turns failed attempts into calibrated, reliable focus sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.